multiple points. For example, is a hub or switch. So different computers are connected. So what are the difference between this multi-point, one point-to-point, and multi-point networks? Which one is better? So these networks have one link that is only dedicated, that is shared between this computer A and B. So only two devices they can share. In multi-points, there are multiple devices. Multi-point connection is one in which more than two specific devices share a link, more than two, maybe three, maybe four. So example of multi-points we can implement through star topology. So this multi-point is commonly used in LAN, local area networks, in labs. So any example of point-to-point link, any real-time example? Bus. In bus, if there are two devices, then we can say. So another, for example, we have TV at home, and there is a remote. So remote to TV, there is a point-to-point. So for example, there is a dish. So there is another dish, for example, ATM dish. So they have link with each other. They form this form a point-to-point link. Multi-point star mesh. Yeah, mesh is also. So star is the best example of multi-point. So last time we discussed different types of so star topology. Yeah, star topology use multi-point. So workstation to workstation is point-to-point. From server to workstation, or so that can be a point-to-point, one dish to another dish. So So now about the topologies. There are, what is topology? You know, shape of a network. So, we just discussed point to point and multi point. Yeah, mesh is a point to point. Yeah, was no, yeah, star topology, ring topology, mesh topology, and there was one, yeah, the form of the network, the shape of the network, the layout of the network. So there are different types of topology: bus, ring, star, mesh, and we can also combine different topology to form a fiber topology. It can be mm, star bus or bus ring, or different combination can also be possible. So then we discussed some matrix in chapter 2, how we can determine uh, uh, throughput and delay. For example,